Yes, yes, guys. Three easy faceless YouTube channel ideas. Let's go, guys. Here we go. Let's get started. Here's some three amazing faceless YouTube channel ideas, guys. And remember, stay right to the end because I want to give you a fantastic little nugget that's going to really help you, give you a fantastic idea. But, guys, without further ado, let's have a look at this one, which is called this video is actually called Top 5 Cordless Vacuums in 2023. Now, what this is about, I'll just play the video, and literally it's about talking about a vacuum cleaner. And what this channel does is it talks about, various things, and I'm going to show you in a second. But look, it's going to talk about this particular vacuum cleaner. It's going to go through how it works, how easy it is to use, and look, it's faceless. There is no face here. It's literally about the product. Well, I say no face, but there is a face, but not the face of the person that's actually who owns their channel. So what they do is they get maybe some actors, some videos, and so on. Sorry, get some actors, and then they just literally focus on the product. They may show the face once or twice, but it's really about focusing on the product, right? And then what they do is, now look, this has got quite a lot of subs, 84,000. This particular video has got 137,000 views. And what they do is, look, how they make their money is not only with it YouTube views, but also through the affiliate links. So it will go to Amazon, and it will basically take you to a link where you can buy the product, and that's what they do. And if I show you the channel itself, like I said, I mean, essentially is faceless because you don't show your own face, and these are things that you kind of the other bits you can kind of you can also kind of get in terms of like I said, whether it be actors or actresses. I'm just going to show you another one very quickly. But look, it's a similar thing. They're showing the product. They're talking about how good the product is. They go through like literally like how it works and everything. But sorry, this is not the right, this is not the same video. Yep, sorry, let's go back to consumer body. Right, it's a really good to be honest, they're really simple, really good, although I would say that the quality of the video is quite good. So obviously, look, if you look at the PlayStation quality, is quite nice actually. It's nice, simple, minimalistic, but it's got really nice videography, background and so on. Shows you how the game plays or how the graphics is for the games. But like I said, it's not really got the person who's on it, who owns the channel. All they do is kind of screenshot or actually just filming the product, which is quite straightforward. But like I said, the quality in this case is not too bad. But what it does is, again, this is how they make their money. It links to the product, the Amazon product. You can see it here. Here's a product there. So not only do they get their money from YouTube views, but they also get their money through affiliate marketing, essentially. So that's one idea. And like I said to you, like if we look at the channel, let's have a look at the channel very quickly. You can see what they do is, they've got a lot of subscribers. They've got a lot of 400 videos, quite a lot of videos as well. But literally, they just kind of go through product reviews, product reviews. They get a lot of views, 17k, 6.4. Not massive amounts, but still excellent. How this one that I showed you was 137,000. Now, like I said, these are affiliate marketing. That's how they're selling it. But just imagine just 1% or 0.5% of people actually click on the links and buy. That could be quite a substantial amount of money in the end that they could make. So they're really, really actually good. And like I said, this guy also gets a lot of views. So they also make their money from views. Look, 509k, 509,000 views. So pretty substantial amount of views there, right? So yeah, that's kind of one idea in terms of reviewing products and then having affiliate links. That's a really good way of making actually money, and especially if you do some high quality videos. Now let's have a look at another sort of idea that I wanted to sort of go through with you, which is pretty much about tutorials and teaching stuff. Now, tutorials and teaching stuff is fantastic. A lot of people actually search up how to do stuff. So for example, if I search learn Premiere Pro, for example, as I've done at the top, you know, I'll get loads of different types. You can actually niche down and actually, explain something specific that people are searching for. So it could be something like Adobe Premiere Pro transition effects, which is, you can see, is a specific search item here. And then what you do is you'd actually create the tutorial around that. So you can see that this person here is creating the tutorial and is going through how it actually works, step by step. In this case, it's how to create motion and animation. And this is what I'm saying. These things are quite good. Again, how do you make your money? Well, you can make your money through, again, affiliate links, because sometimes softwares will have an affiliate link where you can actually promote how things work, and then have a link in the description. Like I said, you could do that on anything that you actually know about. So if you know something, you can guarantee that someone out there is going to be able to kind of look for it. But I think on top of that, you kind of also need to think about, whether your video is going to be seen. Now, what I mean by that is, yeah, this might be quite a popular thing to kind of do, but is it too saturated? Are there too many people looking for it? So when you're actually thinking about something that you can teach, you want to jump onto something called either TubeBuddy or vidIQ, which are my fantastic software SEOs. And what I do is I would actually try and find out to see if something is actually worth doing. So let's say I've got a tutorial like this Photoshop one, or sorry, Premiere Pro one. I might actually say, how to create motion and animation. So let's say this is a keyword that obviously this guy wants to kind of rank for. Okay, so I might go to something like vidIQ and I might just type this in, paste it in, and then click enter. Right, how to create motion and animation. Now I can see already that this is a medium score. So in terms of a keyword, it's a little bit too much competition, right? A little bit too much competition. So look, you can see that motion graphics is quite okay, but there's a lot of high competition, right? So I'll definitely be looking to try and teach something that has low competition. That way I'll be able to get ranked better. And so that's what you really need to do. And like I said, once you find something that has low competition, then it's something that you can go for. So this is very important software, SEO software, just to be able to make sure that you can rank. Remember, check out all my softwares, everything I use, links in the description. But coming back to ideas, remember, tutorials can be fantastic. So think about what it is that you can teach, and you don't need to put your face. It's literally just screen recording. There's no face there. There is a voice over on this where they're talking and explaining, yes, but that can be just your voice. A lot of people don't actually want to be seen on screen. Actually, most people don't. So this is a simple, effective way of doing it. Right, let's get back to this. Let's go to my third one. I really like this one. This is fantastic, guys. And what this is a cooking channel, right? And again, if it's something that you love to do, you could actually show people how to make something, which can be fantastic. I mean, like this video got 29 million views. Imagine how much just on YouTube, how much money this could make. And not only that, once it gets popular, you could do things like selling books, selling PDFs, selling courses on cooking. Look, and literally this is what it is. It's nothing to do, there's no face here. It's all about like showing somebody how to do something. You could have a camera near the chopping board, let's say in this case, and going through step by step of how to actually, cook chicken or make chicken or whatever it is that their recipe is in this particular case. But it's amazing, guys. I mean, this is one of many thousands of cooking channels out there, and a lot of them are doing very well. They make their money through, like I said, through YouTube, and they also make their money through, like I said, through other ways like courses, teaching people how to cook, giving them recipes, recipe books, and so on. Many ways, guys, of making money, and this is the beauty about this. So faceless channels are really popular, and you don't need to, like I said, you don't need to put your face on anything. You can actually create these things. Now so those are some 3, I think, fantastic ideas that you could do. Now, like I said, you know, in terms of like creating videos or creating things, you know, I use this software, and I'll show it to you now. It's called Pictree, and what Pictree does, it can help you create videos, if you like, you know, in minutes. And how it works is you can literally with this tool, you can actually create something where you all you need is a script or article or some writing, and it transforms the writing into a video. It's crazy, guys. It really is amazing. So what I'll do is, if you look up to my two videos that come up right at the end of this video, you will see that one of them is on this Pictree. I'll go through a step-by-step of how you actually can create a video in 5 minutes, quite easily, quite quickly. So check it out, guys. Now, that's my three, guys. That was the last bit. So if you did like the video, guys, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and remember, check out all the links in my description, and also please check out my playlist and the videos which are coming up pretty much now or have already come up. Guys, take care. See you on the next one.